Don't let annoying cords and string lights be the reason you don't decorate this holiday season. Now your house can look festively fantastic, and it only takes 5 seconds with the all-new Solar Startastic. Startastic is the laser light show that's solar-powered and cordless. Just place and turn on and let the beautiful light show begin. A single Solar Startastic instantly adds holiday stars to your entire home and covers an entire 600 square feet. Startastic's solar charger works any time of year, even on cloudy days. Or plug in the USB for a quick indoor charge. Inside, Solar Startastic is engineered to project a bright, colorful laser display and is encased in a durable all-weather housing. So neither rain nor snow will put a damper on Startastic's light show. Featuring a convenient remote control, you can activate Startastic with the touch of a button or program to turn on and off when you want. Solar Startastic even has different motion patterns and a still mode. In just 5 seconds, you can make everything Startastic. From walkways, front yards, or patios, you can even use it inside for dance parties, from celebrations to holidays, any time of year. Solar Startastic is sure to bolster the festive cheer. Call or go online to get your Solar Startastic laser light system for just $39.99. And to really brighten up this offer, we'll give you a 50% discount on a second one. Plus, we'll ship your entire order free. You get it all for one low price. Startastic is brought to you by Emson, a family you've trusted since 1946.